Hello YouTubers, today I want to talk about fuel canister adapters. These small fuel cans are expensive, but they're really lightweight and really handy when you want it for portable and carrying and when you're backpacking. Whereas these are a lot cheaper. And that's where these adapters come in. In this case, this particular adapter is made so that you can screw it in to one of these 1 pound canisters and still be able to use your MSR or BRS 3000 as such. You can also find them, and I ordered this one by accident the first time, that will adapt these stoves to a propane can that's basically kind of like a spray can. Upload pictures so you can see what I'm talking about. Anyway, that can save, by using these, you can save yourself quite a bit of money because these are significantly cheaper than these, and using it when you don't really need one of these. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. Please also consider supporting us on Patreon so that we can continue to make more of these videos. And you can also join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.